Hi guys, good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, as you can see on the title below, it is going to be a bra haul. So if you're not really interested in this video guys, you can exit out now, and then for the rest, let's keep moving. So the other night guys, I went to Chadstone Shopping Center, and I went to Victoria's Secret. So I have been wanting to get a new pair of bra guys, and then I thought, because I've heard so much like nice things about Victoria's Secret bombshell bra, if you've heard about that. Now that I am a mother guys, obviously I have been breastfeeding my baby for 2 years, for almost 2 years now, so everything is not the same anymore, so we need that lift guys, you know what I mean, like we need that push. So yeah, now when I shop for a bra guys, I always go for a push-up bra because it just helps guys, it just helps me, period. So I went to Victoria's Secret guys in Chadstone because the one in Emporium guys in the city, they actually don't have the bras and all. They only have the the undies and the sprays and makeup and all that stuff, but they didn't have the bra, so I had to go to Chadstone Shopping Center for that. Anyways, I'm gonna show you what I've got from there guys. So it comes in this beautiful pink bag with all the paper thing going on. So I bought two guys because when I got there, they actually have the sale going on. So for the second pair of bra, you can get it for 50% off. So I think that it's a good deal. So I just grabbed two. I grabbed like one normal shred bra, and then the other one is like a strapless one. So I'm gonna show you this strapless one first guys. So this is what it looks like. I so like the nude color guys when it comes to bra, because I don't know, it's just like a skin color, you know what I mean? But this is what it looks like. This is the, I don't know the name. They probably have the name in here. No, they didn't have the name in here guys. But my size guys is 32D, which that is something new for me too guys, because I have been wearing 32B my whole life. So when I went there, the sales lady, they actually fitted me, so they told me my exact size for my bra, so it's comfortable to wear and that. So yeah, because I never worn like a D size before guys, because I thought this is too big, and I thought it's too big for my size. And then I realized it's actually good, because it's supposed to be like covering the whole thing without that breast tissue like hanging on this side here. So yeah, that's why they recommended a 32D, which is this one. I'm gonna tell you the price. So this one guys is $104.95. so basically it's 105 Australian dollars guys. So that's what it looks like. And then the second one that I bought is this. It's a t-shirt bra guys, you know what I mean? So like when you wear like a t-shirt, it's just seamless, like it doesn't show all the bumps and everything. So this is the perfect bra for that. This one also in the size 32D. Unfortunately, they ran out of the nude or black color for this type of bra. So this is not strapless guys, as you can see. Yeah, they ran out of that color, so this is my next option, because they only have the red and the, what's the other one, the violet, which I'm not really fan of, so I just chose this one. This one is, where's the tag? Oh. It's the tag. So this one is $74.95. So it means because 50% off for the next pair of bra, guys, then but that applies to the cheapest one. So I'll pay $105 for this, and then half price, basically half price for this one, guys. So all in all, I think I don't have the receipt anymore, but I paid $140 something for these two bras, guys. I tried them on and they actually fits perfectly, and yeah, so I thought I'm gonna show you what I bought, guys. And yeah, just just to let you know that it is really very important to wear the perfect fit bra, guys. You have to wear your own size bra, because I noticed that before I've been wearing like a smaller bra and it's just not comfortable, and then when I try this one on, they're very, very comfortable. You will be surprised with the difference, guys. It's amazing. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That's what I bought from Victoria's Secret, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. Also, please hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. I would like you all on board, and I'd appreciate if you actually hit that like and also share button, guys. So this is the bag that came with again. I can't wait to actually start wearing them, because I waited to do this video before wearing it, guys. So yeah, guys, I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye.